XP. Next. 49 FF. Next. F21. All right, whenever you're ready. Slower.
A little too much drifting, okay?
Oh, that was calm too.
Huh?
That was pretty calm compared to the second run.
Well,
Okay.
that may be, but I saw you get sideways right here, and I saw you get a little loose in some of the corners, so we need to dial it in a notch.
Okay.
All right, thanks very much.
Yep.
A lot of guys do because the turbo. they don't really like to run low pressures on the PSA.
Yeah, you're gonna have a little bit.
Yeah, they do. So I'm on 42 right now. Okay. They probably came up a little bit. Yeah, I noticed mine just keeps getting faster, so I better not screw with it. Pick up workers at the end of the heat.
Can I pick up workers?
Yeah. I had a backup. No, you're fine.
I had one of the loaner helmets there.
Yeah, and it wasn't the loaner helmet. It wasn't. It belonged to him.
Shit, I thought it was a loaner helmet.
No, there should be tubs up there with loaner helmets.
My bad.
You want to pick up workers at the end of this heat?
Work the second heat?
No, just after this heat is over, pick up the workers that are out there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Can I work the second heat? Because I gotta go to work, so I can't.
I think you worked the second heat anyway.
You
Oh
are?
wait, no. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's how we set you up. So
Those guys sitting out there, right there.
What?
Those guys right there.
And there's a whole bunch of other cars. So when you, after your last run, go just sit in the last lane.
Okay.
Until everyone's done. Then
Okay.
go pick up workers.
Is this the last run?
No, you have 2 more. You have
Oh,
5
wow.
and 6 still.